And the great British ingredient, guarded closely, jealously by the royal family. Take your ulu knife, stab yourself with it. No, don't. Don't do that. Don't. Just don't. Don't do that. That's bad. Don't stab anything, really. Don't. I wonder how long it would take for my hand to go on fire if I put that in. That's not a good thought to have. Just look at the oil. In go the tomatoes. Don't let them slide off the front of the desk like I'm doing here because I'm an idiot. Contemplate fleeing to Norway, Canada, or Switzerland to avoid the economic meltdown that might actually happen. Add spices to distract yourself from that thought. Add more spices and cry a little bit. Add your tears to the meal. Maybe it'll make them tastier. Who knows? Invite a female golf friend around. Maybe she'll enjoy that. Realize your ancho chilies were made by NASA and have zero gravity properties. Add water to them. Get angry. Add your ancho chilies infused with anger into the sauce. No, not that way. No, don't pour it into the bowl that way. It's unstable. Don't do it that way. No, positioned wrong method. Wrong method. Wrong method. Wrong method. Wrong method. Right, safely and soundly deposited into our bowl. I'd say that's a good job. Let's have a celebratory glass of water. It's going to go down the wrong way. Yeah, I can see it now. It's going to go down the wrong way. It's going to go down the wrong way.
Thanks a lot.
We're making a light marinade stock with the following spicy herby spices. You see there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and voila! Here we have the tomatoes. Here they are. They're like little nipples for some reason. So yeah, nipples we put in the saucepan. But first, the oil. We pour it in gently like we're dousing a stripper. No, not that. Contemplate that you're 35 years old and still have no clue what the hell you're doing coding in C++, Max. Really, Max, you add the great British ingredient. Fry the great British ingredient. Crush the tomato rebellion. How dare they? Fry the tomates like you are slowly boiling a frog. Low and slow is what we want. Hippity-hoppity. Stock devaluations are taking people's houses. Let's just sit with that for a moment. Scream into the endless void like that one scene from Twin Peaks. Shake those tomatoes like that one scene with David Bowie having a nervous breakdown about Judy. Scream into the endless void again like that one scene from Twin Peaks. Add your paprika. Add water. Add your fennel seeds and breathe in. Add some more paprika. Smoky this time. You're losing them. Add more fennel. You're losing them. Shake it all up like a billionaire corporate businessman, but don't tip it on the floor just like a billionaire corporate businessman. Add the pepper if you feel like it. No, it's going to ruin it. Add the gravy granules. Smash them into your face. 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 No, do not do that. Do not do that. Get your bows here. Get your bows. Let's get your bows. Alright, we are done. This marinade is intended to be layered, so reheat it again, low and slow, with whatever options you think will work. Retrieve it from the fridge, reduce it down to a thickness of your choosing with other ingredients, and you have a pretty good stock. Now pour it on top of everything. Smash it! Smash it! Go on! Smash it! Smash it! Smash it! Smash it into the ground! You know you want to! Do it! Alright, we got bread to toast, we got sandwiches, we're going to take apart and slap on the toast. Here we go! We're going to make a winter filler sauce and fill multiple layers if you prefer. I did not do this because I forgot, because plastic's in my balls and I have brain rot! So it's a light marinade. I'm going to reduce it into a sauce by adding onion gravy granules. Take the marinade into a saucepan, pour it on your jumper, pour it on your nice clean jumper. No, go on, do it. You know you want to, pour it on your nice clean jumper, pour it on your nice clean jumper. You know you want to, pour it on your nice clean jumper. You know you want to, pour it on your nice clean jumper. And it's pour it on your nice clean jumper to win. In goes the marinade, like so. Plop it down. If you have time, punch the marinade. Nah, go on. It's just a little joke. No, do not. No, just a little joke. Heat up the plate. Feel the blade's heat as it warms your soul and gives you magical powers. Magical punching powers. Go on. Punch it, 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 punch it. No, don't. So a good sauce so far. Let's check it through the window.
Push it through the window. Yeah.
Gather the sauce with a spoon. Take it to the plating area and bash it through the window. So as you can see, I've got the filling deconstructed and put on a nice, fresh, new toasty toast. And
Stab yourself in the eye with
the back of the
spoon.
spoon.
On top,
And we're
come
going
on,
to
you
layer
don't
that.
Come on.
As much as we can. Now you can use
You know what we could
as
now
many
stab
layers as you
yourself
want.
in the eye with the back of the
I
spoon.
forgot because
You
again,
should stab yourself with the back
plastic is
of
in
the
my
spoon.
balls, and I have brain. Alright, so we're getting to a good stage now. We're layering stuff on. You see you got a little orange hue in there. We want to destroy the government. No, we don't. No, destroy the government. No, don't destroy the government. Just carry on. Just fine. Just don't destroy the government. It's fine. Just don't do that. Just why would you do that? Don't destroy the government. Come on, guys. Alright, so we got our sandwich and I'm eating it. I'm happy. This is all good. One final bonus tip. Pre-soak your marinade orange peel in honey or brown sugar before making the marinade. You will make the orange peel much sweeter and not taste like ass like I found out. Thank you for watching and crush the oranges. Crush them into powder. Here we have our patty. We're gonna deconstruct it into a pie/stew thing. Of course, grab your oil and give the patty a good greasing, both sides. Grease it up, woman. Or man. Give the pat a slappity slap.
Do it.
Don't do that or you get it on the floor. Alright, so Jamaicans like their times. We got paprika as well, because I like paprika.
You screwed it up.
Paprika.
Add gravy
And I put some pepper
granules
on
to the
here
plate
for some
no
reason.
reason.
Pepper on the plate.
Why are you putting gravy granules on the plate for no reason? Some chef you are. You don't even know what you're doing, do you? Do you? Immerse in some bubbly kettle water.
Add the gravy granules, not yet. Add the gravy granules, not yet. Add the gravy granules, not yet.
What are you doing, you homunculus?
God, what have I done? I'm gonna fucking mess up. Oh God, no.
What are you doing?
No.
Stir! Always
Let's not go back.
stir!
Let's not
How
go
many
back. Add
times?
more. So let's see how it's getting on. No.
Smoosh
we
it on
actually
your
got
eye
a
sockets.
pretty decent. Wouldn't it be great right now if you poured it into your eyes? Pour it into your eyes. You want to. So after about 10 more minutes of fighting the intrusive thoughts and leaving it on a low simmer, we are gonna dish it up and see. This is good.
Plate it up, you moron! Now
Yes,
what we're
chef.
gonna do,
I'm sorry,
because we're
chef.
bloody professionals, is we're gonna deglaze the pan,
Yes,
and we're gonna
chef.
bloody make a reduced
Gently make a
stock,
reduced stock
and we're gonna do
from
it
your
properly!
decoys.
Properly! Absolute cretin! Get out of my kitchen!
Alright, now all that's left to do is taste it, and it's gonna go down the wrong way, 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 it's gonna go down.